if it's showing up as a charge card on your credit reports, it's not necessarily that it has to be bad, you guys. When these accounts start reporting to the credit bureaus, you're going to see your credit score go up. I do say having too many charge cards is bad on your credit reports, but I see a lot of people get the kickoff account, get these other accounts, and then they're able to buy a house, buy a car. These are not the accounts that you want to keep forever. These are not those. Like, you want to get these accounts so that they can boost your credit score initially, and then you want to go ahead and get the other accounts that you don't have to put a security deposit down for. These are just to initially boost your credit score. So don't think about having this account forever. And now, like I said too, let's go ahead and look at the kickoff account, because like I said too, a lot of people think that they need to have these accounts forever, and it's not like a forever card. It is a card that you want to have for now, so that they can report to the credit bureaus and you can see your credit score go up. And when your credit score go up, you can go ahead and apply for other credit cards. So this is a kickoff account here. Like you can see right here, 74 points increase from their on-time payments with the kickoff account. When you guys get their $750 account, that one may be considered a charge card. It may report like that, but I see a lot of people credit score go up from that. So once you get that kickoff account, once they start reporting to the credit bureaus, then you can go ahead and try to get other credit cards. Like say if you wanted to get like a Discover credit card, you'll have an easier time getting approved for like a Discover credit card. And Discover, they have the unlimited cash back, 5% cash back in different categories. You can try those. They got the Chrome gas and restaurant card. They have their miles credit card. It's so many other credit cards you can get, but you want to just start with like that kickoff account and then move over to like accounts like this. And say if you were to go ahead and pre-qualify for the Discover a Cashback card, because you guys can pre-qualify for this one, which is something I really like. You can pre-qualify. That means they're going to tell you yes or no on whether or not they can give you the credit card. You guys can go ahead and click that apply now and try to pre-qualify for it. And if you guys can't get it, then you guys can start moving on up and try to get other credit cards like the Chase Freedom Flex card, try to get the Apple credit card. These are the credit cards that you want to get and that's going to report as credit cards in your credit reports. So if that kickoff report as a charge card to start off, don't feel bad about that. Let them report, let them show that you're paying on time, and then start getting other credit cards that you really want to keep. These rooms right here is not ones that you're probably going to want to well, the kickoff is not one that you want to keep forever. It's just to get you a head start building your credit up initially, and then you can get